Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this cute pink matte set. If you want to learn how I got it, stay tuned. So first you're going to need your set of nails, and then you're going to need your gel and polish, it's the pink, and then you're going to need your matte top coat as well as your tweezers to apply the jewelry, and then you have your jewelry. Let's get started. So I'm just about done applying my first coat, and then I'm going to prep it and cure for about 30 seconds.
Perfect.
Also, I'm going to add in that if you haven't watched my gel and swatch review, then this polish is in that swatch review because it's the number 336. It's the pink one with the really small bottles and really small brushes. So that's why it took me a little bit longer for this set. So yeah, just keep that in mind.
Perfect.
So this is my first time using these particular jewels, but I'm just going to go ahead and just apply random jewels. There's no particular order, I just added the feathers, and then I think I threw some beads in there too. But yeah, just have fun with the designs.